the legal and moral debate of Katko v. Briney. In 1971, a quiet Iowa farmhouse became the center of a case so controversial it would change the boundaries of self-defense forever. A trespasser breaks into an abandoned home, only to be met with a violent surprise, a spring gun rigged to fire. But what happens next will leave you questioning the line between protecting your property and human life. Edward and Bertha Briney owned an old, unused farmhouse in Mahaska County, Iowa. It stood vacant, deteriorating over the years, a tempting target for thieves. Frustrated by repeated break-ins and thefts, the Brineys decided to take matters into their own hands. But what they did next would lead to one of the most debated legal cases in American history. Enter Marvin Katko, a man with a criminal record and a plan. In 1971, Katko broke into the farmhouse, expecting to find valuable antiques or items to steal. But what he didn't expect was the trap waiting for him inside. Unbeknownst to Katko, the Brineys had rigged a shotgun to fire if anyone forced open the bedroom door. The moment he stepped inside, the gun discharged, shooting Katko in both legs. Wounded and in pain, he managed to escape the property and seek medical help. Instead of facing charges for trespassing, Katko decided to sue the Brineys. His claim? The homeowners had used excessive and dangerous force to protect property, violating his rights, even as a trespasser. The case, Katko v. Briney, quickly gained national attention. Could a burglar really sue the homeowners for injuries sustained while committing a crime? The answer shocked many. The Iowa Supreme Court ruled in favor of Marvin Katko. The court stated that while property owners have the right to defend their homes, the use of deadly force, like a spring gun, was not justified to protect property alone. The Brineys were found liable for battery and ordered to pay Katko $20,000 in damages. The verdict sparked outrage and debate across the nation. Many felt the decision protected criminals at the expense of law-abiding citizens. Others argued that human life should always take precedence over material possessions. The case highlighted the delicate balance between property rights and the sanctity of life. Today, the Katko v. Briney case serves as a legal precedent, reminding property owners that while they can protect their homes, their actions must be reasonable. The case also prompted conversations about non-lethal methods of security, like alarms and surveillance cameras. What would you do in their shoes? Could you sacrifice your safety and property to uphold the law, or would you risk everything to protect what's yours? The story of Katko v. Briney forces us to confront these uncomfortable questions. Marvin Katko's ill-fated decision ignited a fierce legal battle, challenging the boundaries of self-defense and prompting society to reconsider the ethics of property protection.